Welcome. In front of me is a ZTE Blade 10, and today I'll show you how to format the SD card. And to get started, let's open up Settings. From here you want to scroll down to Storage. There we go. And then tap on your SD card and choose Format. Now it will give you a message that performing this will basically remove everything from that card, and if there's anything that you would like to keep, copy it to your computer or somewhere else just so you have a backup of it. But assuming you have already done it or you don't want to keep any of it, tap on Format SD card. The process will automatically begin, and it's a fairly brief one, only takes like 5 seconds to 10, which should be right about done, as it is right now. So let's click on Done, and you're finished. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.